Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Flow, the place where your English becomes smoother, stronger, and more natural every single day. My name is Sam, and I'm really happy you're here with me today. Before we start, I want to ask you for a small favor that helps our channel grow. Make sure to subscribe to English Flow, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. Thank you so much. Your support really keeps this channel going. All right, let's dive into today's topic. Today, we're going to talk about something extremely important, and honestly, something that many English learners struggle with. How can you practice English every single day, even if you're busy, shy, tired, or far from any English-speaking country? Most people think they need perfect grammar, a native-speaking friend, a long study schedule, or a quiet place to practice. But real improvement comes from something much simpler. Small actions, done every day, without pressure. In this episode, I'm going to guide you through a full system that helps you bring English into your daily life in a natural, fun, and practical way. You'll hear examples, mini exercises, shadowing practice, and step-by-step routines you can start using today, even right after this video. So, let's begin. Before we talk about techniques, let's talk about mindset. If you want to practice English daily, you need a mindset that is simple, friendly, and flexible. Here are 3 truths to remember. 1. You don't need long study hours. 5 minutes a day is more useful than 2 heavy hours once a week. Consistency beats intensity. 2. Mistakes are not a problem. In fact, mistakes are evidence that you are learning. No one speaks perfectly while learning, not even native toddlers. 3. You can create your own English environment. Even if you live in Egypt, Morocco, Saudi Arabia, Brazil, or anywhere else, you can surround yourself with English using your phone, your thoughts, your routine, and your voice. Natural learning starts with natural exposure. Let's begin with the simplest habit. Short, daily listening. I call it micro-listening. And it means listening to English for very short periods, 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes, many times throughout the day. Here's how it works. Morning routine. When you wake up, play anything in English. A short podcast, a news clip, a motivational speech, a YouTube video, an English Flow episode. You don't have to focus. Just let the sound enter your ears. This trains your brain to accept English as a normal part of your day. During tasks. Listen while brushing your teeth, making your morning drink, washing dishes, walking, commuting. English becomes the background music of your daily life. Before bed, listen to 2 to 3 minutes of something calming. This helps your brain store language while you sleep. Remember, understanding 100% is not required. Exposure is the key. Shadowing doesn't have to be difficult. You don't need to repeat long, fast sentences. Let's do it right now with simple, short lines. I'll speak. You repeat. Ready? I can improve every day. Repeat. My English is getting stronger. Repeat. I don't need to be perfect. Repeat. Small steps are enough. Repeat. I enjoy practicing English. Repeat. Good job. See? Shadowing can be simple, light, and enjoyable. Try shadowing 10 seconds from a video, a single sentence, a line from a movie, a phrase from a podcast. Shadow for 1 minute, not 10. Make it easy so you can do it daily. Thinking in English doesn't mean translating every idea in your mind. It means practicing small, simple thoughts in English. You can begin with easy sentences like, I'm hungry. It's cold today. I'm going to work. I'm tired. I need a break. Later, you can expand. I think I need a new routine. This place is crowded today. I should finish this task soon. Don't force long, complex thoughts. Focus on tiny thoughts, repeated often. Your brain will get used to English, step by step. Reading aloud is one of the most powerful yet underrated techniques. Here's how to practice. Level 1. Read slowly. Focus on clarity, not speed. Level 2. Read again with rhythm. Imagine you're reading to a friend. Level 3. Read with emotion. Act a little. Feel the sentences. This helps pronunciation, fluency, confidence, and mouth muscle memory. Choose children's books, simple stories, dialogues, scripts, subtitles. Just 3 to 5 minutes a day creates a huge difference. Writing does not need to be long, complicated, or perfect. Try this exercise at night. Write only 3 sentences about your day. Example: Today I woke up late. I cooked something delicious. I watched a video in English. Next day, I went to work early today. I felt tired in the afternoon. I listened to English Flow while walking. This builds vocabulary, grammar intuition, and confidence. At the end of your day, record yourself for just 1 minute. Talk about your day, your feelings, something you learned, something you plan to do tomorrow. Nobody needs to hear it. It's just for you. This builds speaking fluency, clarity, confidence, listening awareness. If you record for 60 seconds every day, you will be shocked how fast you improve. Here are some real-life techniques you can use without extra time. Change your phone language to English. This alone teaches you 300 to 500 words passively. Write your to-do list in English. Short tasks like buy bread, finish project, clean room. Watch short English videos. 20 to 30 seconds is enough. Follow English flow. Daily exposure keeps you improving. Speak small phrases during the day. Good morning. Let's go. I'm ready. Here we go. English becomes part of your life, not just a school subject. Let's practice a simple conversation. Repeat after me naturally. Hi, how's your day going? I'm doing okay, just a little tired. I'm trying to practice English every day. Small steps help me improve. Great job! Here's a full routine you can follow daily. Morning, 5 minutes. Listen to English while preparing your drink. Think 2 short sentences in English. Afternoon, 3 to 5 minutes. Watch 1 short video. Shadow 2 or 3 lines. Evening, 5 minutes. Write 3 sentences about your day. Record a 1-minute voice message. Listen to 1 minute of English before sleep. This entire routine takes less than 15 minutes a day, and it can transform your English in 2 to 3 months. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. If you enjoyed this episode and you want more content that helps your English grow naturally, don't forget to subscribe to English Flow, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Your support means the world to me.
Before you go, here's today's question. What is one small English habit you will start today? Listening? Shadowing? Thinking in English? Writing? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. Thank you again for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and keep your English flowing.